How to create bundles on your Shopify store. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a bundles on Shopify store. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and then you have to tap onto apps. From there you can search for bundler, and if you don't find it, go to Shopify app store and then install it up. Just tap onto this bundler option, and then you have to install it up for your Shopify store, as I am doing here by installing it up. Just tap on to install and then download it for your Shopify store. Then let me install it now. So after installing it perfectly, then you have to go to your bundler here and then just cut this video. You can check out these offers. They have premium, executive and free offer. For this video I'm going to choose the free version. Now here you can just start your free trial right from here, and there we go. This is how you can just start your free trial, and after that you can just, here you can, $6.99. Here you can check it out. So this is how you can use it. So now let's start create bundle. Here you can tap on to create bundle, and then you can choose that what type of bundle you want to create: volume discount, classic bundle, or any other bundles if you want. For now I'm gonna go with classic bundle, and you have to enter your bundle name. For example, here is a I'm gonna add it gun discount, get a discount, description, buy these products with and get a discount now. So I think that should be enough. Now you can add widget, filter total price. Let me enter the total price of it to $30, and then I'm gonna discounted price to $20. So here we can see you can add okay, so let me just cut it up, and then you can just add dollars to it. And if you want, you can also keep it default if you wish to. Then you can add to cart. You can just check them out. You can check priority sequence. This one is basically bundle applies discount based on your priority sequence, and that's it. You can check the number of renewals. You can choose colors if you wish to. From here just go to bundle settings and you can just change the color, and you can choose for free shipping or not, and just you can select products from here if you wish to. You can select your products, that what type of products you wish to add. For example, these ones, you can choose every single products that you wish to add, and then you can just add it up. So after adding up all the products right from here, you can also check out these products from here. You can install them up if you wish to. That was pretty much it. And lastly, you can just save bundle, and there we go. This is how you can do it. So let's go back and you can save. Let me show you how it turns out. It's saved. So now that's it. So this is how you can do it. Now you can view your online store if you wish to. So this is what it will looks like. You can check it out. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.